Alright, so we stopped at the Asian market today and spotted these popping candies. We've got watermelon and lychee. And then also these Kit Kat mints. So that's the one I'm most interested in trying. But which one should you guys try first? You want to try the watermelon ones, Jack?
Yeah.
Okay, so grab the watermelon. Yeah, more candies. These were from the Asian market.
We really wanted bubble tea, but we'd have to wait an hour for bubbles. So no bubble tea.
No
Candy instead.
I have no idea how to open that.
That's pink Limax. That's not really purple. That one's green and red and yellow.
And brown and green.
I'm thinking there's no way to actually open that bag.
It's just to look at.
Here. What if we use scissors?
Daryl has scissors in his pocket.
Daryl, we need your pocket.
Ooh, Geosherm says she got the mint
Found it.
Kit Kats when she went to...
Got it.
Why does it keep rotating on me? Yeah, these are child-proof.
They're little tiny popping candies. Little packets of popping candies.
Alright, so Jack's going to try one.
I'm just going to be brave and dump it all in my mouth.
Okay.
If I
If you can open it, don't spill.
Yeah, the mint Kit Kats I've only seen at the Asian market.
Want some help? He needs your scissors.
Daryl. Which one are the scissors? Is it this one?
Jack's having problems with the Swiss Army knife.
Because I don't know which one are the scissors.
The ones that go like this.
Chinatown would probably be a good spot.
It's okay. Look, I opened it. I ripped it and look. Oh, there, I did open it.
Oh, I found them. I found them. Stop worrying. I
In
got
case
this.
you were wondering.
Oh, these.
You found the scissors because you know how to use the scissors.
Is it the powder? Yeah. It's like the little
Yeah, little
Nerds
teeny
almost.
packages.
Woo!
like Pop Rocks.
Little tiny packages of Pop Rocks, like Halloween candy size. Go ahead, Jack.
First of all, they smell like candied watermelon.
Oh, it does. It smells like
Sweet watermelon.
those Brock's candies.
Jolly Ranchers.
Better than Jolly Ranchers. Brock's candies, the flat ones, the flat oval one. Jack's gonna taste it. Can you hear it?
Uh-huh. I can hear it. Not sure they can hear it.
What does it taste like? Watermelon?
Limex says they can hear it.
Okay. Good
It
thing.
does. It tastes like those Brock's candies. It's actually
It
really
does.
good. Taste it.
All right, and then we've got the lychee one.
I still have the scissors.
You don't need scissors.
I got this.
Although it is
Open
kind of
scissors.
awesome.
Oh, I was trying to open the wrong side. Oops.
Cody says, ooh, lychee.
I like lychee. We bought these too, but I think we've already tasted them on here, so we didn't do it. It's like Jello shots without the alcohol, but it has little pieces of lychee candy in it.
All right, and Jack had just tried the actual lychee jelly, so we'll see what he thinks of the lychee popping candies.
We really went into the store to buy fresh lychees, but they didn't have any.
Yeah, they're all out of lychees. Lychee is a type of fruit. It's kind of, it looks kind of like a kiwi.
No, it doesn't. It's spiky.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's like it's
Let
green
me
and
get the
spiky.
previous
I
taste
got
out of
it.
my mouth.
Oh.
It's still popping in the back of my throat.
That's a lychee.
It's really hard on the outside and spiky, and then really soft on the inside, and has a big pit in the middle like that.
Yeah, Sherm says, Geosherm says she's never seen them.
I love them.
Oh, Cody made Pogoi Korean candy this morning.
Yum. I have no idea what that is, but it
Neither
sounds
do I,
interesting.
but that sounds cool. You should have periscoped that.
All right.
Oh, it's on
ready?
YouTube.
It
You
is?
ready?
Apparently.
Send us the link. Or do we
Go
type in
for it.
Cody Dog? Oh, look, there's a thing.
Cheers. Mm.
Look, there's a
Oh
thing.
wow, that was kind of sour.
They're not supposed to be sour.
They're a little bit sour.
You're going to try these right there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I got.
Okay.
I have my own to try.
There it is.
I don't like them. Oh.
I like
Nothing
them,
like real lychees, huh? That doesn't surprise
but
me.
I like them.
All right. My turn.
It's like Sour Patch Kids meet lychee.
Oh.
And they pop.
There's got to be an easier way to open these.
Yeah, there's a
Oh, yeah,
little
there's a
cherry
tear
thing,
right there.
but it didn't work. I tried it.
Way too sweet. But I kind of like them.
Kind of sour. All right, moving on.
And
Moving
now,
on, this is Daryl's favorite.
Kit Kat.
Mint.
Mint
Almost
Kit
everything.
Kats.
All right. And since I'm a big fan of the mint stuff,
He
You
goes
get to go
first.
first.
they're going to make me go first.
Mm-hmm.
Finish them
Oh,
all.
wow, you can smell the mint. But these do not look like normal Kit Kats.
You don't?
They look like
No.
dark chocolate.
Yeah, it's like a dark chocolate, which is a good thing. Oh, they've been melted.
Oh.
Ew. They smell good though.
Still very tasty.
They're green inside.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Geo Shrimp said the one she found was green.
These have a little green, but they're not green. I don't know that I really like them. I mean, they're good, but they're not that good that I'd get them again for sure.
Jack's turn. Or do you have more
Oh,
commentary?
no, go ahead.
Well, we found them at the Asian store, but Geo Shrimp, where did you find them?
Canada.
Oh, Canada. They have good things in Canada. I don't
With
think
the smell, it's not the taste that I was
at a
expecting.
gas station in Canada. It was huge.
Probably a regular sized Kit Kat.
A big Kit Kat, bigger than a regular Kit Kat.
Okay. This is surprisingly bland for
Yeah.
the smell.
Yeah, I expected a lot more
Bigger.
sharpness to it.
Yeah.
She said bigger.
But I like it.
Like in where does Geo Shrimp live?
New York. She lives
Oh.
in, like, kind of not too far from yours. Like 20 of the bars. Wow.
Wow. Wait, where does she live in Canada again? Near Rochester?
Yeah.
I mean, in New York?
Limax says he found worm snacks at the gas station.
Melted chocolate.
Yeah, I'm thinking that these would have been a lot better if they weren't melted.
I don't think the melting has anything to do with it because the mint is
They
the wafer
appear to
part.
be real worms. That's like the hot licks out here. You know, we've got the like
Yeah.
lollipops that have bugs in them.
Ew.
That's
Oh.
okay. You're right. It smells way stronger than it tastes. And
Geo Shrimp says, ew.
Oh.
I think they're the bugs. All right.
Geo Shrimp, where do you live again?
Near Rochester.
Because I really want to go to Dinosaur Barbecue.
I'm not sure how.
Nah, not
Geo
for
Shrimp's
mint
gonna-
things or
Yeah,
worms.
I'm not sure how that's going to help. She says yes, it's amazing.
I know, I miss it.
So she
I
can
miss the
taunt
big ass
you about
pork plate.
it. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.